Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and this is a not necessary video, but it might give you some other ideas. We got 5 rectangles on our sheet, and if you wanted to make all of them a 1-inch radius corners, you could possibly do it with a macro. If you go to Tools and Scripts, yours might say macros in earlier versions. Start recording. We're going to call it corners. Hit it OK. Then go Control A and select them all. Then go to Windows, Dockers, Corners, or we're going to pick 1-inch radius and hit Apply. Now all our radiuses are a corner. So we're going to go back to Scripts or Macros, stop recording. We'll go and make them all rectangles again. We'll go to Tools, Scripts, or Macros, Scripts. And there's our macro right there, and we're going to double click, and it made all our corner radiuses, 1-inch radius. Now we can right click and assign it a keyboard shortcut, and we're going to go Control 1 for 1 inch, and then hit OK, and then let's put them back to where they were. And without the script manager open, we're going to Control 1, and it made all the corners. So the macro selected them all. I don't have anything selected. The macro is going to select them all and round all the corners. You might be able to do that for different ones, different corners, different shapes. Let's just try it. Scripts. Start recording. We'll call this corner 2. Control A, that's a key part of it. That lets the macro select them all. Go to Windows, Dockers, Corners, and this time we'll go a 1/2 inch and hit Apply. Now we got 1/2 inch radiuses. Go back up to Scripts, stop recording. Let's put them all back to rectangles. Go to Tools, Scripts, Script Manager, Corner 2. Now it put all 1/2 inch. So we could go back, right click on that, assign a keyboard stroke, and we could call that Control 2. Hit Assign, hit OK. Now with nothing selected, I'm going to Control 2, and it gave us 1/2 inch radiuses. So you could, pick, you could have a number of them. Let's just go Control 1, and now it's got 1-inch radiuses. It's not that big a deal, but it does kind of teach you how to make a macro. And you almost have to do it in that order. You can't just change the radius up here in your macro for some reason. You actually have to go to a command to do that. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.